Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Transform simple fava beans into a delicious, healthy meal. Fava Medames, a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, offers incredible flavor and nutrition. This hearty dish is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner, providing sustained energy without the heaviness. It's truly a versatile and satisfying plant-based option that nourishes both body and soul, inviting you to explore a new world of taste. Get ready to discover your next favorite comfort food. Authentic Fava Medames starts with basic pantry staples that are readily available. You will need 1 large can of fava beans, creamy tahini, fresh lemons, and a couple of garlic cloves. Don't forget common spices like cumin and a pinch of salt. For that vibrant touch, fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro are absolutely essential, providing both color and a burst of freshness that elevates the entire dish beautifully. These simple ingredients combine for amazing flavor. Preparing Fava Medames is much quicker than many traditional bean dishes, perfect for busy schedules. Simply combine your drained fava beans with a little water, a touch of cumin, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Simmer them gently until they are wonderfully tender and slightly creamy. Next, mash about half of the beans directly in the pot, leaving the rest whole to create a delightful mix of textures. This simple method ensures a rich, satisfying consistency every time. Fava Medames truly shines with fresh, vibrant toppings that add incredible flavor and visual appeal. Drizzle your cooked beans generously with high-quality olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This simple combination is transformative. For garnish, consider finely chopped tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, a sprinkle of fresh parsley, or a dusting of smoked paprika for a hint of warmth. These additions not only enhance the taste, but also make each bite a delightful experience. Homemade Fava Medames offers a truly comforting and deeply nourishing experience that you will want to revisit often. Serve your warm fowl with fresh pita bread for a complete, satisfying meal perfect any time of day. Don't hesitate to experiment with different spice blends, perhaps adding a touch of chili flakes for heat or extra garlic for boldness to truly personalize your creation. Enjoy this versatile, flavorful dish and share its simple joy with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.